To whom it may concern, my name is Stephen Whiteway, along with Kara Whiteway, my wife. We are general contractors, and the name of our business is Whitecrest Renovations. I think it was last week we submitted a video to HGTV for their pitch for new contractors, and we pitched ourselves as the lifestyle contractors. In that video that we sent, my wife orchestrated it all, put it together. It was beautifully done. It's perfect. It clicked to me this morning. I'm here, I'm in my dungarees. Today's the worst day on the job for me. I got to put the respirator on, sand, get this place ready to put the kitchen in. But it dawned on me that back in April, Kara challenged me for a personal life goal with Arbonne to change my life in 30 days. And I started documenting our lives on video, at work, our lifestyle, going to the gym, all the clients would meet, our trades, our suppliers. And I have over 1,500 videos already on my phone because I was trying to do something to orchestrate and change our lives and document what we go through every day. And I didn't realize that that is the lifestyle contractor that we are. We already have the pilot. So I'm pleading, I'm asking for anybody out there to whom it may concern. I'd love to sit down with somebody. It dawned on me this morning, we were at the gym. We submitted it and I never said anything, and I felt compelled in my heart that it was something that I had to reach out and tell you guys that I've already have a mini pilot that I would love to sit down with somebody and show you what we've got so far. Again, Stephen Whiteway with my wife, Kara Whiteway, and we already have a submission in for the HGTV search. So please consider us, get a hold of us. Appreciate it.